Welcome my YouTube channel and Dream Bikes Hub. The Honda Click 125i is a stylish and efficient scooter that has gained a lot of popularity for its performance and features. It's designed to cater to both urban and suburban riders, offering a blend of practicality and fun. One of the Click 125i's strongest points is its modern design. At the heart of the Click 125i is a 125cc, liquid-cooled, single-cylinder engine. It features Honda's PGM-5 programmed fuel injection system, which optimizes fuel efficiency and performance. The engine delivers smooth acceleration. The Honda Click 125i boasts a sleek, sporty design with sharp lines and a bold front fascia. Its aerodynamic shape not only looks great but also improves fuel efficiency and stability at higher speeds. Available in various colors, it caters to diverse tastes. Designed with rider comfort in mind, the Click 125i features a spacious seat and a well-positioned handlebar. The scooter's ergonomics ensure a comfortable riding position, whether you're commuting or running errands. The seat is also well padded, providing a pleasant ride even on longer journeys. The scooter's instrument cluster is fully digital, providing all the essential information at a glance. It includes a speedometer, fuel gauge, odometer, and various warning lights. The digital display is clear and easy to read, day or night. One of the Click 125i's standout features is its generous storage capacity. It includes a spacious under-seat compartment that can fit a full-face helmet and other essentials. Additionally, there's a small front compartment for items you need quick access to, like your phone or wallet. In the 125cc scooter segment, the Click 125i competes with models like the Yamaha NMAX 125 and Suzuki Address 125. While each of these scooters has its strengths, the Click 125i stands out with its advanced technology. Please press bell icon and subscribe my YouTube channel and watching me.